Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins. I have here some £2 coins that they're a mixture. Some of them are UK, some of them are Isle of Man. This first one is an Isle of Man coin, and it's the Christmas coin from last year. Very lovely coin. Now these are coins that are going into my blue card collection, and I have a book here of the blue cards. This one is a second one. This is an Isle of Man one as well, and it is the TT Trophy, again issued last year. I'm trying to catch up with all of my outstanding things like blue cards and striker owns and sets that go into my book that I've not yet completed. The third one is another TT one, and it's the 2023 TT1, the sidecars. So that's that one. The next two are UK £2 coins from last year. One is the Ada Lovelace, which I have done a thing on, and then we have my favourite £2 from last year, without a shadow of a doubt, which was the J.R.R. Tolkien coin. I do have that as a striker own as well, which was the change checker one, and that's the change checker that's a change checker medallion that they issued last year for the 10-year anniversary, so I'm just going to slip that into there as well. Now this can now go in the book, and I'll take you through some of the £2 I have in this book. There is another book that I have not found yet, which I will show as a separate thing when I find it and get round to it. So, £2 coins I have in here. So the Columbus £2 set. We have there Sandringham House. We have there the one of the ones to do with the Isle of Man signature series for the two of them there. I think those first three are the £2 coins for Cook, James Cook. Those are £3 James Cook coins. Let me just get that out so you can see. These first three coins here are the James Cook coins from a couple of years back. We have one, I think this one's to do with the that's Samuel Pepys's diaries. We have Sandringham House, the 12-sided coin that was issued as a one-off, a £1 one. Then we have, is that the Victory in Europe? Yes, Victory in Europe coin from a couple of years back. I'll have to need to remind myself what these ones are. Agatha Christie, 100 years of Agatha Christie. And I think this one was the other £2 coin from that set. Yeah, it's the Mayflower. That's the Mayflower £2 coin. Then we just have the 5 £2 coins I've just shown you with the change checker that I've just put into the book. So that ends this £2 coin update. I will, when I get to find the other book, which I'm still to go through, I will update that one and show you that one and what I've got in there. So that ends this £2 coin hunt. If you've enjoyed it, or should I say updated the blue card £2 coins, if you've enjoyed this, please give me the thumbs up if you would. I'm doing a minimum of 5 videos a week, but as normal for the last 2 or 3 weeks I've been doing 6. Hoping you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I am looking to get my subs up to 425 by December the 31st this year. Currently I'm on around about 280 on the 12th of February. So I've got a way to go, but with your help and the following window I should get there. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can buy the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying till the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for staying and bye bye. Ta-da now.